What if the next 8 minutes gave you a century of wealth wisdom? Clear enough to write one sentence tonight and watch your life bend toward it. Here's Think and Grow Rich without the myths. Thought plus belief plus repeated suggestion plus organized action equals results. Hill isn't selling daydreams. He's saying thoughts become things only when you aim them, install faith, and move your feet. Daily. How to run it. Hill condensed. 1. Assume the outcome precisely. Write a definite major purpose. The exact result, deadline and price you'll pay, time, skill, service. Vague equals idle. Specific equals mobilized. 2. Install belief, autosuggestion. Read the goal aloud morning and night, present tense with emotion. Picture it as already true. Repetition programs the subconscious. Belief upgrades behavior. 3. Add specialized knowledge plus imagination. Learn or partner for the few skills your aim demands. Remix proven ideas into an offer people want. 4. Organized planning. Break the goal into dated steps and measures. Form a small mastermind, 2 to 5 allies, to test plans, open doors, and hold you to decisions. 5. Decide fast. Persist longer. Procrastination is fear in disguise. Choose your vehicle, price, and timeline. Pre-commit how you'll continue after Plan A fails. 6. Transmute emotion into work. Channel strong drives into stamina and creativity. Guard attention like capital. Invest it where it compounds. 7. Use the subconscious brain, 6th sense. Daily suggestion imprints aim. Action invites insights. Quiet reflection lets flashes arrive, then act. 8. Defang fear, especially fear of poverty and criticism. Name it, replace its script with your goal, spoken twice daily, and move. Fear can't balance on a moving target. This is Hill's law in practice. Not magic, assumption backed by action. Run long enough for reality to catch up. What if the most valuable asset you own isn't money, talent, or connections, but a single thought you refuse to let go of? A century ago, Edwin Barnes had one thought. He wouldn't work for Thomas Edison, he would work with him. He couldn't afford the fare, rode a freight car to New Jersey, and walked into Edison's lab looking like a tramp. Edison hired him at a tiny wage. Months passed. No partnership. Then came a chance no one wanted. Selling a new dictation machine the sales force disliked. Barnes grabbed it, crushed it, and soon the slogan read, "Made by Edison, installed by Barnes." He literally thought himself into a fortune. That's the promise here. Thought, made definite and pursued with persistence, becomes wealth. The system begins with 3 inner tools: desire, faith, autosuggestion, that turn a wish into an order your life obeys. Desire picks the target. Faith installs the belief you'll hit it. Autosuggestion keeps the target burning in your mind until action follows. Desire isn't, "I'd like more money." It's exact, how much, by when, and what you'll give in return. Put it on paper. Read it morning and night. A vague aim drifts. A sharp aim organizes your day. Faith isn't blind optimism. It's conditioned belief. Speak your goal aloud. See it like a scene already true. Feel gratitude in advance. Belief changes behavior. Behavior changes results. When your inner voice says, "This is happening," you negotiate differently and persist longer. Autosuggestion feeds your subconscious with the words and pictures you choose. Stop rehearsing fear. Flood your mind with your written goal, today's smallest step, and sensory detail of life after you've won. This isn't magic, it's focus. You move toward what occupies your mind. Specialized knowledge. General knowledge is nice. Specialized knowledge pays. You don't need every skill, only the ones your goal demands. Learn it, hire it, or partner for it, but get it into your plan. Barnes didn't invent Edison's machine. He mastered how to sell it. Imagination. Use it 2 ways. Remix existing ideas, synthetic, and invite fresh ones, creative. Borrow models from other fields, combine them, and design and offer your market actually wants. Organized planning. A dream becomes a plan when you assign dates, tasks, measures, and when you recruit allies. Build a small mastermind, 2 to 5 people who meet regularly to stress test strategy, open doors, and hold you to decisions. Harmony beats brilliance. Minutes, commitments, progress. Decision. Successful people decide quickly and change slowly. Failures decide slowly and change quickly. Procrastination is fear in costume. Choose your market, your vehicle, your price, your date. Wavering is a decision too, the decision to surrender momentum. Persistence. Most stop 3 feet from gold. Decide in advance how you'll continue when plan A fails. I'll test 3 offers, call 50 prospects, get 1 expert review before I even think of quitting. Persistence is easier when it's pre-decided. Mastermind. 1 disciplined group can compound courage, skills, and standards. Align on a single aim, meet on schedule, prepare in writing, and keep egos out. Borrow belief when yours dips. Transmutation. Strong emotion, ambition, love, even desire, can be redirected into creative work, stamina, and magnetism. Guard your attention, then pour it. Subconscious mind. It's the switchboard between desire and reality. It doesn't judge. It executes the dominant picture you feed it. Program it daily with your goal and the next action. The brain. Think of it as a transmitter/receiver. Your dominant thoughts attract matching people and opportunities, not by magic but by signaling and selection. Speak your aim. You'll be invited into the right conversations. Sixth sense. Call it intuition. It arrives after preparation. Study, attempts, reflection, then quiet. Flashes look sudden. The groundwork was not. Fear. Especially fear of poverty and criticism. Name it. Show it your plan. Replace its monologue with your goal read aloud. Twice daily and move. Fear can't ride a moving bicycle. Daily rhythm. 10 minutes AM plus 10 minutes PM. Morning. Read your goal card. Amount, date, plan, what you'll give. Visualize it as already true. Write 1 action that advances it. Ship it before noon. Midday. Add a sliver of specialized knowledge. 1 page, 1 call, 1 microtest. Evening. Log what you shipped, where you stalled, and tomorrow's first move. Read the goal again before bed. Let your subconscious work the night shift. Weekly rhythm. Mastermind. 60 minutes, scorecard, 1 roadblock each, 1 commitment. Decision window. Kill 1 bottleneck by Friday. Persistence audit. Note quitting points you crossed. Anticipate the next 2. Starting from 0. Borrow Barnes' attitude. You may lack money or credentials, but you can bring a decision, a plan, and relentless follow-through. Seasoned but stalled? Get a second reading of the mine before you walk away. Inches can be worth millions. All achievement begins in an idea. Pick yours. Write it. Read it. Act before noon. Repeat until the world rearranges. Your future meets the person who finally decided. Napoleon Hill's core engine is simple. Thought plus belief plus repeated suggestion plus organized action equals results. The desire. Pick 1 definite major purpose. Exact result, deadline, and the price you'll pay, time/skill/service. The faith via autosuggestion. Read that sentence aloud morning and night, in the present tense, with emotion. You're conditioning belief so behavior follows. A specialized knowledge plus imagination. Learn, or partner for, the few skills your goal truly needs. Remix proven ideas into a useful offer. A organized planning plus mastermind. Break the goal into dated steps. Meet regularly with 2 to 5 allies to stress test plans and hold you to decisions. Decision plus persistence. Decide fast, adjust slowly. Pre-commit how you'll continue when plan A fails. Transmute emotion into work. Guard attention. Pour it where it compounds. A subconscious/brain/sixth sense. Daily suggestion plus action invites insights. When they come, act. Defong fear. Especially fear of poverty/criticism. Replace its script with your written goal and move. Your turn. Comment to commit. Let's go. To commit. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe for more no fluff book wisdom you can play in the background. and share with someone who needs a plan, not just motivation.